Hi, and welcome to section 6.4. Clearly, I'm still at school. So the percent equation is basically just taking the percent proportion and converting it into a formula. So if we have part over the whole is equal to percent, which is p, over 100. And now we're going to convert that to an actual equation. This is where I kind of get a little bit squirrely about how the book represents this, because in the percent proportion, we have the percent divided by 100. And now when we convert it into the percent equation, the percent becomes a fraction or in decimal form. It's no longer just the number stripped with the percent stripped off of it. So you still have to kind of think of this as the percent divided by 100 or the decimal. So I want this to be a single line, and this is a ratio. So I'm going to multiply both sides by W, and these end up algebraically crossing out, right? Because W divided by W is 1, because they can't be different numbers. So we end up with the part is equal to the percent, and kind of leave it over 100 so you think of it as a fraction, times the whole. Or in the case that they write it, it is the A is equal to the percent times the whole, where the percent is in fraction or decimal form. All right, well, let's see how this works. So finding a part of a number. What number is 24% of 50? Well, what number is, that is the part. So A is equal to the percent, so 24 divided by 100 times 50. So this actually turns out to be 2400, so 0.24 times 50 part is equal to, oops, that is in my book, I forgot to get it out. So it turns out that that is equal to, it's equal to 12. So the part is equal to 12. Okay, example 2, finding a percent. 9.4 is what percent of 25? Well, A is equal to the percent times the whole. 9.4 is the part, because that goes with the is. And that is equal to the percent. Well, we don't know what the percent is, so that's P times 25. Divide both sides by 25. We end up with P is equal to 38 hundredths. Do not stop here. The question asked what percent, so make sure you convert that into a percentage. I will take points off on the quiz if you do not convert it into a percent. Answer the question that's asked. Okay, example 3, finding the whole. 39 is 52% of what number? Okay, so the part is equal to the percent times the whole. So 39 is the part, and that is equal to the percent. We can think of that as 52 over 100 times of what number? Well, that's our variable. So if we're going to rewrite this as 39 is equal to, we're going to write that in decimal form. Then we're going to divide both sides by 52 hundredths. And we end up with W is equal to 75. Okay, if we go to the next page, there we have the on your own. So if you pause me and come back, I'll show you what the answers are. So hi, welcome back. So number 1, I'm going to write up here. So number 1, A is equal to so the part is equal to the percent times the whole. And in number 1, what number is? So A is equal to, I'm going to convert that to a decimal, times 20. So the part is equal to 2. And number 2, we have A is equal to the part is equal to the percent times the whole. Remember, this P is percent, not part. A is part. So what number is? So that is our variable. We're looking for the part. 150, if I convert 150%, I convert that to 1.5 times 40. So the part is equal to 60. Number 3, The part is equal to the percent times the whole. So 3 is always goes with is the part. So 3 is equal to, we don't know what the percent is, and 600 is our whole. Divide both sides by 600. We end up with our percent is equal to 0.005. Again, you can't leave it like this because it asked what the percent was, so I move the decimal point over to the right 3 times. I get 0.5%. Oh, your other video is ready. I'll have to put that up on YouTube. So number 4, 18 is, so 18 is the part because it goes with the is equal to, we don't know what the percent is, times 20. Divide both sides by 20. We end up with the percent is equal to 9/10. Remember to convert it, 1, 2. So the percent is equal to 90%. Okay, number 5. 8 is 80% of what number? Well, 8 is the part. 80%, I'm going to convert that to be 8/10. Divide both sides by 0.8, and I end up with a W is equal to 10, because that's the part. Okay, 90 is, so 90 is the part, is equal to 18%. I'm going to convert that into a decimal of what number? So we're looking for the whole. Divide both sides by 0.8. And we end up with the whole is equal to 500. I'm going to stop here because we didn't really actually get time during class to do that, and I need to get this up on the website. So thanks for watching.